4, 5, 1, 2,
You're broke.
3, 4.
It is broke.
Time to start mortgaging some property.
You want to stay in there, you gotta worry.
5. Oh wait, no, that's 6.
I think only 2,000. Actually, earlier you only 2,000, but you only paid 1,700, but I'll let it go.
Wait.
Ha 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 ha. Ha hee hee ha hee hee ha.
Wait,
Yeah.
okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Oh my god.
Gonna have to dismortgage some of your other property.
Holy crap.
Yeah.
That's 8. I just
Only
need
2,000.
200 more.
Read it. 2,000.
Can I just like wait until I get one more space?
Yeah.
Here's 1,800.
Yes. I hope I land on free parking. Okay.